Hi YouTube, this is Tara and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this part 2 of this Temu haul. Y'all, I have a bad habit of deleting the footage to clear my storage so that I can record something else without checking to make sure that the video is loaded. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all this. This the wig, this the Temu wig that I'm wearing. It's nice, you know, it's decent. You know, got a little color. I already posted a video this morning about this wig. Okay. Got a little color here, you know. Let me see, can I get this phone to stand up and keep the light pretty decent. Cause that be pissing me off. See how dark it be getting? Let me hurry up because I ain't got that much storage on my phone. Okay, let me show y'all. I'm gonna try to show y'all. It might cut off. I know my head is cut off. Don't worry about that. That ain't what we here for. That ain't what we here for. Okay, so the first thing I'm showing you is I got this square. And I just charged my phone at work. Here's the cord. I didn't buy this cord from Temu, but I bought this square. Quick charge, 48 watts. I got to get me a portable charger too from them. I know they probably got it. You know those kind that they used to give us that you charge it up before you leave home, and then if your phone start dying or going out, then you can put your phone on here and let your phone charge. Because a lot of these other chargers, you got to actually put into an outlet first before they start, you know, so they can charge. Okay, so here, I got these things right here, reusable keepers, okay? And so what you do is, okay, one just fell out. So purple is, I hope, wait a minute, I hope you ain't selling my business, sorry. So it's 10 reusables, see? And this is what they look like. I'm rushing. This is what they look like. See, and they're on the front. So what you do is you press it right here on the handle, like a bobby pin, or like when you used to and you stick it on your finger. Okay? Like that. Which it ain't that powerful. I ain't gonna lie to you. It ain't that powerful. Cause I might not be able to do this when I get home. So this is what you do. You take these gel remover wraps, okay? I have to tell y'all how much all this stuff costs some other time. Okay, so it's just a piece of foil, which is a good idea, okay? With a piece of cotton, okay? They see the cotton glued to it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it on your thumb or your finger and you're gonna wrap it around, okay? Okay. And then, once you get it wrapped around and secured, you're going to put that little purple clamp right here, what I just showed you, on top of it, to keep it in place and keep it secure until your gel polish start to loosen up, okay? And then, this is my nail repair kit right here that I ordered. It's a fiberglass nail repair kit, okay? So, here we have a brush, okay? We have the separator, so you can separate your fingers. We have another brush. I'm not sure what this brush is for. They never use these in the nail salon when I go. But I guess if you wash and clean your hand, you can scrub with that. And then, you know, I'll probably use to get up under here. And this is how my ring finger is doing. You can see like a tip on it, and then you can actually see up under there a little bit. So before I got these, which is fiberglass. Okay. 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 Now, if you saw my other video when I was talking about doing repairs on this nail and my pinky on this finger, I used a tea bag that I cut. This is the same theory, okay, just different material. Instead of using a flimsier tea bag, this is like a fiberglass type sheet. It's a little bit more sturdier, but it's porous and you can really see through it. So when you put that gel on there, it's gonna soak through. Okay, and this is the gel right here. It says repair nail glue. Repair nail glue. It's clear. I ain't gonna open it. Then you got, here's another one of those little clamps. This one right here is clear. It's not purple. Okay, come on. See, this one, you press it right here, the mouth open, you stick it on there, and it holds the foil down. This one got a little bit more power. Okay, this one got a little bit more power. Then last not least, in this pack right here, we got us like a little emery board. I don't know what grade. One side is more coarser than the other, okay? So that's what's in that kit, okay? Now, I'm just trying to put everything back in here. I should wait until the video is over and clean up, but I always gotta clean up. Here we got 2 plates, okay? And I guess I'm still a member of that brand that used to sell a lot of these little plates. I forgot what it's called because I haven't shopped from them in so long. So this is the little plate, okay? And I'm gonna get into some French manicure, okay, as soon as we get this other nail. This one too. Well, you see where the nail polish came off? The nail polish came off of here, the Sally Hansen. In fact, they are all kind of peeling. Okay, they look like a bubble is up under there. So I'm kind of disappointed in Sally Hansen, but I'm just going to say that the nail polish was old. And I showed the polish in a video and show how it was practically brand new, but I had it for years. Had never opened it. So I know y'all can't really see the nail plate, see the nail design, but that's that, you know, these stampers, these nail stampers plates. And then here we got 2 more, like nail glue or acrylic type gel base. Okay, right here. We have, that's something else. We have, let's get the paper. We have 6 jelly polishes. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jelly polishes. I'll kind of go over the prices later on sometime. Oh, they smeared. And I did swatches of the polishes on here, but they smeared. I didn't give it time to dry. So we got like a burgundy color, a red, a pink, a purple, like a deep purple, grayish purple. Then we got brown. Then we got like a lavender color, and then we have like a almost like a clear black. And this is the clear black one that came by itself. Okay, and then we have the skin guard. Okay, these skin guards right here, like when you're doing your acrylic and stuff like that, you take these little skin guards off. They're reusable, and then you take them, even when you're doing your manicure, you tape them around your nail, okay, to avoid product getting on your skin. Purple is my favorite color, so I got them in purple. Okay, and really wasn't sure about, you know, these, you know, whatever, but I'm gonna test them out. Okay, what else we got? This came with the wig. Okay, this is the Temu wig, 14-inch bob, 1B, and I think this either 27 or 30. And they gave me 2 wig caps with the wig. Okay, and then I have, these are reusable nail tips. So with these, listen, so with these are like little nail tips. Okay, so you see how this look like a little clear nail tip. Okay, this is number 6, right, or 9. So it's probably going on your pinky. And what you do, you put your poly gel under here up until, you know, to the point where you want it. Okay, so and then you take this, once you get the poly gel on here real good, you take it and you put it on here and you press down real good so that the poly gel can smear and slide and smooth out all over the nail. And I think once you get it on there, you can kind of release it. Okay, and once you release it, the poly gel will be on your nail, and then you take it and you get the oven and you cure it. Okay, and I didn't bring the oven with me, but I'm gonna put the oven in the thumbnail. Okay, the oven is going to be the thumbnail. The oven is at home. And then I got these cute little stickers right here. I got the red and black butterflies. Okay, because I thought